Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you how to generate a song using AI. So let's get started with the video without wasting any time. Now you can see this page on my screen. You can access this by clicking the link in my description box. And after you will click the link, you will land on this page. Then you need to create an account on Uberduck. Then click on AI generated rap and here you need to select a beat. I'll select the first beat and then click on save and continue. Now I'll click on use custom lyrics. Now I'll go to chatgpt and ask it to write a song for me. I'll type write a rap song for me and then click enter. I'll copy some lines from here and go back to the site and paste it here. Then I'll click on save and continue and here I need to select a voice. I'll select the first voice and then click on generate rap. And my rap is created. I'll play the video.
You I step up to the mic and I'm ready to flow. Got a story to tell, so let the rhythm go. From the street to the stage, I'm here to engage in a lyrical battle.
This is the rap AI created. I hope you liked the video. Remember to give this video thumbs up if you found it useful and subscribe our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video.